Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to what I hope to be the first of many Mystic Mike tutorial videos, as well as any other videos I may do Minecraft related, stuff like that, stream related. Today what we're going to be discussing is I've had a few people asking me about my tweet alerts that show up on my stream. Basically when someone tweets me or @s me or uses my hashtag, which is hashtag mystic_Mike, it'll pop up on my stream. Kind of gives you the users and the viewers another form of interaction with the stream rather than just the buttons. You could send me a message through that and it'll pop up. You could send a message to your friend and it'll pop up if they're watching and whatnot. So let's just get right into it. We're not going to mess around or anything. We're going to jump right in and get this set up. So the first thing you need to do is you'll have to run to tweetalerts.tv. I found it only really works in Chrome. I haven't tried Firefox. I don't use Firefox very often, but I use Edge and it doesn't work in Edge. And when I've contacted them, they said they know about it. They are looking at fixing it. But right now it does work for sure 100% in Chrome, as you can see, which is what I'm using. So again, it is tweetalerts.tv. I will put the link in the description as well. So first thing you do, you come to this page. Here you are. Bada bing, bada boom. Cool. Hit Twitter login. Now it's going to come here. It's going to ask you to sign into your Twitter. I've already signed in and authorized it. So this is basically, it's going to come right for me right away. So now here you are. You have this settings basically. Once you set this up as well, you never have to really open this browser again unless you want to tweak it, which we'll go through each thing. Right now you have your design overlay. So right now you can design how you want it to look. I kind of kept it the colors of what my stream colors are, the red, the darkish gray, and white. Here you can go through each one. You can change the border width to whatever you like. You can see it gets a little bit thicker. You can turn the radius. You can have it square or you can have it rounded. I kind of like it a little bit rounded. You can change the font size, the max width of the tweet, how it'll show up. As well, it does have its own little templates and whatnot, so you can kind of go through there as well and use what you want, light, dark blue, minimal. I just do my own custom thing. On the left is how basically it will show up. So what we'll do is I'll do a try, because I like to slide down and the slide out. So I'll hit try and you'll see it come up. Boom, tweet. And now it's going to slide out to the right. And I think it's 10 seconds. I have mine stay up. That way it gives me a little more time to actually catch them. To control that, it's right here, auto leave, how long you want it to stay. You can put where you want it, top, left, right, bottom. I just leave it top and then adjust in my OBS, my slobs. Streamlabs OBS is what I use. I adjust it in there where I want it to actually be, which I'll go over that in a little bit here. As well, you get your delay in between each tweet, your sound. They put the URL for this one. I just use that one too because I find it's the sound that reminds me of a tweet and it kind of makes you go, oh, what's that? Oh, okay. But I mean, you can change it to whatever you want. You just need to put have it as an HTTP. Here, sample tweet text is basically what you just saw when I hit the try. Be sure to follow me on Twitter at Mr. Mike Live. Every now and then, if I do have this open, I might hit that just to kind of as another form of notification for people to be like, oh, cool, let's follow him on Twitter too. Next, you got your tweet alerts. Next page. Basically, this is where you put like, favorite to display, what you want to display. And in here, you put your tags you want. So I have right now, anyone who tags at Mystic Mike Live, which is my Twitter, be sure to follow me on Twitter, as well as hashtag Mystic Mike. Anytime anyone uses any of these, it'll pop up on my feed all the time. Here you can put if you want pictures. I go back and forth on this one. I've had it so it shows pictures all the time, but then I did have an incident where people were taking me in kind of unsavory pictures. So I decided to put it never for now. I may go back to it again. It's kind of your choice. Beware, because if you do use it, people could abuse it. As well, you can have the avatar show. Here is the blacklist word. Yeah, there are some bad words there now, but these are words I've put in there to have blacklisted. So if anyone tags me in anything that has these words in it, it will not show up. As well, eventually I could see myself having some names in here. As of right now, I haven't had too big of an issue with any of these, besides the F word. But again, it is something safe to put in there. I'm sure I could add way more to this list as well, but these are the ones that kind of really stood out to me, especially if you run a family-friendly or teen-friendly stream. It might be something you want to look into. Follower alerts. So basically the way this works, like I said, is anyone who follows you, it's going to pop up and it's going to say, hey, thanks at whoever for the Twitter follow. You can name that whatever you want. You can rename it here. It could say like, so-and-so just followed me, check them out. I mean, really, the sky's the limit, whatever you want it to say. Next, we have the retweet alerts. Basically here, it's anytime someone retweets anything that either you are mentioned in or that you've posted, it will show up. Any tweet. Basically right here, when activated, all retweets of your tweets will be displayed. Use the next tweet field to select a specific tweet. So let's say if you want only a specific one to show up. Next, you have your template of basically what's going to say, hey, thanks, you're the best, thanks for the retweet. This doesn't tweet it out to the people. It just shows up on your overlay. You have your tweet overwall. Your tweet wall overlay. This is if you want to have more than one showing up. So say if you want, for whatever reason, you just want on the side, like say way over there on the left side, I wanted just a tweet wall. All the tweets will stay there up to 5 tweets. And as one comes in, the bottom one disappears. I don't personally use it. Could be something you want to use. I like to have it come down, stay for about 10 seconds, give enough time for me and the users to read, the viewers to read, and then slide out, and then I'm done. And then you get your latest changes, which is basically just, you know, what they did, their change log. Now to add it to your Streamlabs, this is what you do. You come here, you copy this URL right here, boom, tweet alerts, Control C or, you know, copy. Now next, what you're going to do, this is going to get a little trippy here, folks, because I'm going to bring over my slobs now, so it might go all wonky. There's multiples of me. So basically, what you're going to do here now is you're going to go to, say, this is my live stream. I'm going to bring up tweets because I already have one. Well, actually, we're going to click on this. You're going to make a browser source. Add source. And then you just add it. Basically, it is, you can call it whatever you want. I call mine tweets. So once you have that up, it is going to look like this. You put in your overlay, boom, play with the width, whatever you want it to do, leave that as is, boom, and you're done. And then I put mine up in the top right corner. I do have other stuff up there. Usually I have my event list, donation tickers, like stuff like that. But for this video, I didn't see the need to have any of that stuff, to be honest with you. So we'll bring that back over here. So like I said, you do have this, so we'll show you again how it works. We'll hit the try, boom. It's gonna tweet, and it's gonna come down, and then it's gonna slide out after 10 seconds. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. There we go, it is gone. So yes, folks, that is that. So that is how to use tweetalerts.tv. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. If there's any future videos you would like to see, tutorials, setting up chatbot, setting up Streamlabs, things like that, I know there's plenty of them out there, but ask away. I have no issue setting up anything like this for you guys. But yeah, if you liked what you've seen, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, leave a comment and a like, and as well follow me on Twitter, as I do post content regularly on there. It is at Mystic Mike Live, and you can catch me live on Mixer just about every day, Monday through Friday, at Mystic Mike on Mixer. That's it. Mixer.com/Mystic Mike. All right, thank you very much again, guys, and have a great and wonderful week. Enjoy the rest of this day. Bye-bye.